Question 4a, we're asked to simplify, and that means collect terms that are like each other. So I'm going to say, well, there's a 2x there, positive 2x, so I've included the positive sign, and I have a positive 3x there. If I collect those, I get 5x's. Now let's look at the y. There's a 4y, but none of these have a y in it, so there's nothing else. And because that 4y is a positive, I could have written that first, it wouldn't have mattered. But we have this, and then I have a minus 3 and a plus 8. Now, a lot of people like to prefer to start with the positive. So if I've got a positive 8 and I take away a 3, because that's what it tells me to do, because of the minus sign, I get 5. And that 5 would be a positive. So any way round, that's what you're looking for. Factorize fully means basically design an expanding question with the highest common factor on the outside. So looking at these terms, what is the highest common factor? So 6 and 9 are both in the 3 times table. And there's an x in both terms, so an x is also a factor. And therefore 3x is the highest common factor. So now I can finish off my expanding question. 3x times a what gives me this term. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, and x times x is x squared. 3 times 2 is 6. Well, I should say 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. X times, well, I don't need anything else, I've already got the x. And x times a y would give me 6xy. Part C, we're asked to expand, so it's 4 lots of this bracket, so 4 lots of x, and 4 lots of 2, which is 8. And the very last one, expand and simplify. So this is a bit harder. Most people these days tend to use this sort of method. Because this has already been partitioned, we put this bracket, x and minus 5, and we put this bracket down here. So we've got x and a positive 3. Form the multiplication grid, so we just complete it. So x times an x is x squared, minus 5 lots of x is minus 5x's, 3 lots of x is 3x, and 3 lots of minus 5 is minus 15. Then you collect the like terms. This is an x squared, they're not like these. This is a number term, these are x terms. So these are the only ones we can collect. So we have an x squared. We have 3 take away a 5x, or minus a 5x plus a 3x. Either way, you get a negative 2x, or minus 2x. And then we have minus 15. So there's the answer. You might have done it in a different method, the claw. Whatever you do, this is your answer that you're looking for. That's probably the easiest to understand if this is new to you.